What is a stop loss order? That's what we're going to cover in this short video. Before we look at the actual trading terminal, let me just explain to you guys what a stop loss is. Imagine you want to buy a share and one share costs $100. You buy it because you think that a new product that the company is going to launch in 1 week's time is going to increase the profitability of this company, and the share price should increase from 100 to maybe 120. Now, you are quite confident in your outlook, but you don't want to be stuck with shares that are dropping too much in value. So you put a stop loss at 90. So the day comes and the company releases a presentation and a report on the new product they're going to produce, and you, as long with a few other hedge funds and other people that got disappointed, started to sell your positions. Now, everything went so quickly anyway, so the price actually went from 100 to 90 to 80 to 70 3 days later. Everything went so quickly that your system closed your position at 90. So big was the disappointment that the price went through 90 all the way down to 70. That is a stop loss. A stop loss is there to protect your downside in case of changed circumstances. And we know we do have stop loss orders, not just in financial market trading, but we have that in many other places as well. Like there's a limit to how much, for example, we are willing to tolerate when it comes down, for example, in relationships or other business situations. And that is what we call a stop loss, and we use them as well when we're trading the financial markets. So if you look here, this is MT4 trading account, and you're looking here at the euro versus the USD. Now the stop loss itself is predetermined usually by some sort of technical analysis or some other rule. And the general idea is to use something that makes sense most of the time. You're not going to find the perfect rule that is going to cover, every individual situation, but you would usually look for something that would get the best out of a situation if you would apply that maybe 100 times, right? So if you look at this, you're looking here at a downtrend, for example, in the Euro USD. You have that high there, and then you have another high here. So in general, sort of, we are dealing with a downtrend, and people would usually be happy to sell as long as we're on a downtrend. So here, for example, just for the sake of it, I would just sell. So I just sold here 1 mini lot in the Euro USD. You can see my entry price at 121.20, and you see stop loss is 0 and take profit is 0. So here, I would just double click there, and then I can just put whatever I want. So I can put the actual level I want. So say I sold at 121.20. So I can put like we need to put it higher here because I sold. So we need to put it, say 121.50, and then just click on modify, and you can see that that level came exactly there on top. So if the price goes up now, this market is going to close this out. So it might go up because something happens in the US over the weekend, and that price goes up as soon as the market opens, or it could be anything now because the market is still open. It's going to be open for 5 more hours. You can also walk away now. So you can easily walk away, and the broker will deal with your stop loss even if you close your position or even if you close your platform. What's quite neat here as well with the MT4 is that you can just put the mouse on top here, and you can actually see how much it would look to make or lose here. So if the price would go up here, we would lose 2.98 pounds on this specific position. You can usually as well just modify by drag it. So you can drag it, drag and drop, and you can double click on the red line, and here you can just put whatever price you want. They also have some sort of predefined levels here. So for example, if I put this on 500, then that would, if I click on copy here, it will automatically, in this case, subtract 50 pip from my from the current price. So if I click on modify, I now have this level here. Now this level is a bit different because it says TP, which stands for take profit. So if the price goes up, it gets me out in case of a loss. If the price goes down is the way I want it, it takes me out in profit. Okay guys, this explains very briefly what the stop loss is. It also shows you guys how to implement that on MT4 demo account. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and more importantly, don't forget to like the video. That would be greatly appreciated. See you guys soon. Bye.